Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Clarity. Stop learning coding the hard way because a new trend is changing everything. And honestly, it's kind of insane. People are now building apps, website and even startups without writing codes manually. And they're just talking to AI. This trend has got a name, vibe coding. Yes, you heard it correct. In the next few minutes, we will understand what exactly is vibe coding and is it really going to replace or rather make a huge shift in the technology. Let's understand. So what exactly is vibe coding? It's when you use AI tools like ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot to generate or fix codes using simple and plain English. Instead of typing complicated syntax, you simply say, build me an app, fix this bug, create a website, and AI does the rest of the work for you. That's literally vibe coding is. Plain English in, working app out. And this isn't some random internet hype. It's a real movement happening right now. People are using AI to generate code instead of writing it manually, which means even beginners, kids, non-tech people, all of them are suddenly started building apps. Why? Because you don't need to know any coding anymore the way people used to. Now the workflow look like this: idea, prompt, and app. That's the shift. Think how crazy this is. A few years ago, building software meant learning multiple programming languages, understanding the frameworks, debugging errors for hours. But now, AI handles most of that, which means the barrier to entry is collapsing. And this could create more founders, more creators, more people building products online. And honestly, that's exciting because technology is becoming accessible to everyone. But here is the part that nobody is talking about. AI generated codes are not perfect. A lot of it are messy, buggy, and risky. Even the expert says AI code still needs human intervention because AI can generate code, but it does not truly understand your product like you do. And when things break, you still need problem solving skills, logic, human judgment, and so on and so forth. So here is the question. Are developers disappearing tomorrow or getting replaced? Or they are just getting evolved? Here is the reality. The roles of the developers are changing. Instead of writing every single line manually, developers are becoming AI guided builders, system thinkers, product creators, and many more roles are evolving. The people who win in this new era won't be necessarily be the best coders. They will be the people who can think clearly, communicate well, and know how to use AI effectively. That's the future. So here is the bottom line. Vibe coding is not about replacing developers. It's about unlocking 10x more builders. And whether you are a student, entrepreneur, creator, or developer, this shift affects you. The future of coding is changing fast. The only question is, are you adapting or getting left behind? If you want to know more about AI content like this, subscribe now because the future is moving faster than ever.